Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Firefox Browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do to actually have the browser is go to another browser and download Firefox, if you of course already do not have it on your PC. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. As you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search box, and in the top side of the screen also, you can add tabs here. You click add shortcuts here, and in the top right corner, we have the 3 horizontal lines where you have a lot of different settings. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and uninstall Firefox Browser. So make sure Firefox is completely closed. So we have to close it for starters. Then click the start button and select settings. So you need to go and select settings in your, of course, menus like this. Then click on apps, which is here. And then when you're in the apps section, select apps and features, which is on the left side of the screen, as you can see. Then in the search bar, type for Firefox. So you can go type for Firefox, or you can just go and find it easily like this. So basically you can go and scroll or find it through the like this. Then click on it and click on install. Then click again and it will start on installing. Then you will have a screen like this looking pop up. Click next. Click now install, and it will start uninstalling, and click finish, and that's that. You have it uninstalled. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.